What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video we're going to review some ad campaigns. Well, not actually campaigns, but we're going to review some ads. I have some Instagram story ads and some Facebook ads, all from the same person. So thank you, Oliver, for submitting your ads for review so we can have a look. I already told you, Oliver, your ads were sure interesting, but there could be some improvements. So let's just thank Oliver that he was so nice to submit them so we can all learn something from this. So when we look at the screen right now, we can see a Instagram story ad for a Amazon voucher. So as you can see, the image aesthetic wise, it looks amazing. Like the background is really good. The vouchers are clear. I can see a Louis Vuitton bag. I can see a KitchenAid machine. I can see a PlayStation, an Apple Watch, a Beats by Dre, iPad, iMac. It looks very aesthetically pleasing to the eye. However, it is too much, I would say. Like it does look very nice, but it looks a little bit too nice for comfort. The call to action gets dragged away by all the bright colors. People want to check out the goods. They see 2 times 500 voucher. The call to action needs the attention, and here it doesn't at all. It just blends in the content. It says swipe up and win $1,000 Amazon gift card. Yeah, so first of all, I would keep the font like this also here, but I would make it overall less fancy, less chaotic. Less is more. Keep it simple. Like, I mean, I love what you did with the ad, don't get me wrong, but I think this will not convert as well as like an ugly ad. So ugly ads convert. I think this is really good. Like from what we've seen in other reviews, usually people don't really get this, but this looks good. It's clear. It doesn't drag too much attention. It's clear what to do. Let's just see the other one, because you sent me a couple. So this one is a lot less chaotic already, but still the background grabs a lot of attention, obviously. I think that's also one of the factors to take into consideration in this one. And the red doesn't really go as well, but I really like the aestheticness of the voucher though. So that's a really good pick. Same here. The background is just too much. It's killing the entire picture. And also what we do in the training, what we show you in the training. So for anybody who wants to join the Facebook group, there's a free 3-step training. The copy is always here. Why? Because people go top to bottom. So they read swipe up and win $1,000 Amazon gift card, and then they're going to look at this and they don't swipe. So what you want is you want them to look at this first, and then it says swipe up and win, so they swipe. Call to action needs to be here in this area. So just look at the mouse move. That's where the call to action needs to be. Again, a little bit too much. Yeah, that's just the same variant. Let me see. Yeah, okay, so this is the last one. This one has a little bit more appeal. However, this is a little bit too much. So I would do maybe like 3 gift cards. And this has pounds and this has dollars. So that's just one thing I'm noticing already, which isn't that cool. Also, that's just something on the side. Yeah, I talk about trademark infringement a lot, copyright infringement. So it's always a risk you carry if you use brands. But Amazon is one brand you don't want to mess with for sure. Just like Sarah from the clothing, those have really aggressive cease and desist. So yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't really want to mess with that brand. If it's on a gift card, okay, but putting an extra brand like this is extra risky, and there's really no need to. I think it's pretty clear this by itself. I really like what you did with the box and all. I don't think this is a standard image. You really put a lot of work in it. And here, the attention is still here. So I think this is the go-to image. Put the background again here, just like you did with this one. Put it here, maybe put the box a little bit to the left if that's possible, and put like 3 gift cards, like this size, in separate dimensions. Then put the sparkles around it. And what you want to do here is you want this to grab the attention. So I would do black boxed like this, and then all text in white. No need to make the dollar sign a different color. and just make sure you swap this out, the £sign for a $sign. Like, I assume you're good with Photoshop. If I see what you did with all these ads, they look like amazing aesthetically wise. So just change the £sign for the $sign if you can, or else just use this voucher. That looks amazing as well. So yeah, basically for the Instagram story ads campaigns, it is pretty clear. I don't want to say you want it too bad, but you're trying too hard basically. So you can also just try too hard. You got to keep it simple. Simplicity works. Why? Because the big brands like Coca-Cola, Heineken, like PlayStation, Xbox, they promote with these fancy ads and people are used to them. So if you make like a weird ad, all right, so let me just show you, because I've run Amazon before. I know which image works. Amazon. So what we did is I just took a delivery guy from Amazon with his car. I think I ran it on Facebook though, but let me see which one it was. It should be here somewhere. So there was this fan which was open and it said Amazon on the side, and that performed like so good. Let me just see. It was like a fan like this, but not Prime though. But that was really good. Amazon delivery. Let me just go like this. Delivery. Yeah, I think it was something like this, like a fan open and then a guy coming out, but he came out from the side. So not from the back, but it was like a sliding fan. But as you can see, they're like this image, like there's so many good images if you just search for them. And these are like images you don't usually expect. Like this is a little bit more of a stock image, but like the ones like this, especially this one, this is just like some guy actually working and they made a picture of him, girl, whatever. And these are more like set up images, yeah? You don't really want those stock images, you really want those real images. Just like this, although this is like quite fake as well. It looks a little bit more real. So you really want to try those images, try to make them work. And obviously they will never fit in your perfect design, like how you designed this. But if you follow this 3-step training, you should be able to figure something out with that. You also send me Facebook ads, so let's have a look at those Facebook ads. Thank you for copying my Wise brand name thing. Don't appreciate that, by the way. It says empty fridge, question mark, click here to win a $2,000 voucher for groceries. Yeah, so this is a big mistake. What happens here is this offer leads to a bridge, and the bridge leads to a choice of 3 grocery stores. What you want to do is you never want to target one audience with 3 offers. What you want to do is for every offer, you want to make a different ad set. So you want to say, click here, win a $2,000 voucher for groceries from Countdown, and then in the other ad from Foursquare, and the other ad from New World. Don't target them all in once. Doesn't make sense for the consumer. They're like, it's weird. Why would you work with 3 grocery stores anyway? The ad, obviously not good. The dimensions are not right. I get the empty fridge, but it does not look appealing. A brown banana. And the emoticon is only making it worse. So no, big no. Win a yeah, this is good. So this is basically all you have to say there. Let me just see what you did. Yeah, it's the same angle every time, the empty fridge. So the angle is simple. I think you lack creativity in this one, really, because there's so many things you can do with grocery stores. Like storefronts are the basic ones and they work really, really well. Like I doubt that this would work good, because who really has an empty fridge? Nobody. Like everybody needs food. So empty fridge, and then this is like a brand new fridge. Like it's not even dirty or anything. It just doesn't make sense. Like this makes a little bit more sense. Like a couple of stuff in there. But yeah, if you want to take this angle, I would say like running low on groceries, that's better, because the fridge is never really empty, is it? So yeah, this needs a lot of work. So for grocery stores, go with storefronts, go from inside the store, grocery carts, grocery bags, people carrying groceries, carrying heavy groceries, people unloading groceries from the car, putting groceries in the kitchen, people preparing food. But this is like a stock image, so that never works. It's just weird, man. Like, I get the angle you want to take, but it's not going to work. And especially like this, like obviously the dimensions are not good because it is not filling. Like, you can even see the border here. So you put in this image, like I don't even know why is this here. Like the emoticons here, they add value to the image, but this should add value and it doesn't. It just looks weird. It makes it look scammy. Also, though, like I know you took this from my example and from my own bridge page domain, which I no longer use because people started copying it, which I'm not happy about. But never, this is just stupid. Like, run it from something called like daily grocery giveaway, something like that, like something related to groceries and not like 7-second surveys. People already think they have to fill in a survey to get a chance, which decreases your CTR, which you really don't want. So all in all, for your Instagram ads, keep it simple, stay focused, make it look aesthetic. So the last part you really got covered. Now you just need to make it simple. Really focus on the call to action, like that swipe through. If you're on Instagram stories, you just tap to what to see, then an ad comes and tap, it's gone. You need to grab the attention, call to action has to be strong. For your Facebook ads, change the page name, change the copy, change the images, basically redo the whole thing. Follow the trainings I have. I have like a couple of watch me build Facebook ad campaigns. And from what I see here, you might have watched the videos because you did the border, but you have to re-watch them again. Maybe ask some relevant questions in the Facebook group because this needs a lot of work. So still, I hope you can work with the feedback, Oliver. There's a lot of things that have to be improved. However, you are well on your way with the Instagram story ads for sure. So thank you for submitting that. Thank you guys for watching this video and I hope to see you guys next time.